Hello friends, discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Gramarcy Adjustable Mandoline Food Slicer. The Gramarcy Adjustable Mandoline Food Slicer is a must-have kitchen tool for fast and precise slicing. Featuring an adjustable blade, it allows you to create perfect slices in various thicknesses, from paper-thin to thick cuts. Made with durable stainless steel, it's built to handle fruits, vegetables, and more with ease. The non-slip base and ergonomic handle ensure safe and stable operation during use. A built-in handguard protects your fingers while slicing, offering added safety. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for any kitchen size. The slicer is easy to clean and dishwasher safe, making maintenance hassle-free. Ideal for salads, chips, or meal prep, it delivers professional quality results. Its sharp blade and versatile design save time and effort in the kitchen. Upgrade your food preparation with the Gramarcy Adjustable Mandoline Food Slicer. Rotary Cheese Grater. The Guidel Rotary Cheese Grater is a high-quality manual kitchen tool designed for effortless grating. Featuring a durable stainless steel drum, it efficiently grates cheese, vegetables, and nuts with ease. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, ensuring smooth, continuous use. The innovative rotary design helps speed up the grating process, making it ideal for preparing ingredients quickly. The grater comes with two interchangeable drums, one for fine grating and another for coarser textures, offering versatility for different recipes. The compact, lightweight construction makes it easy to store and handle. The non-slip base ensures stability during use, reducing the risk of accidents. The Guidel grater is easy to clean, with most parts being dishwasher safe. Perfect for home cooks and professionals alike, it saves time while delivering consistent, finely grated ingredients. Upgrade your kitchen tools with the Guidel Rotary Cheese Grater for fast, efficient food preparation. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper is the ultimate kitchen tool for effortless meal prep. This all-in-one chopper includes interchangeable blades for chopping, slicing, dicing, and spiralizing vegetables with ease. The compact, BPA-free design ensures safe and efficient use, while the non-slip base provides stability during operation. It's perfect for onions, tomatoes, potatoes, and more, saving time and reducing mess. The clear storage container catches chopped ingredients, keeping your countertop tidy. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it simplifies post-cooking cleanup. Whether you're making salads, stir-fries, or zoodles, this versatile chopper has you covered. Lightweight and durable, it's a must-have for busy kitchens. Elevate your cooking game with the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Frigidaire EFIC 128 AMZ BLK Compact Countertop Ice Maker. The Frigidaire EFIC 28 AMZ BLK Compact Countertop Ice Maker is a convenient and stylish solution for instant ice at home or on the go. This powerful machine produces up to 26 pounds of ice per day, making it perfect for parties, picnics, or daily use. It delivers a fresh batch of bullet-shaped ice cubes in as little as 6 minutes, ensuring your drinks stay cold and refreshing. The compact, modern design fits seamlessly on any countertop, saving space without compromising functionality. Its easy-to-use control panel features indicator lights to alert you when the water is low or the ice basket is full. The transparent window allows you to monitor the ice-making process. With a removable basket and included scoop, serving ice is simple and mess-free. Quiet and energy efficient, it operates smoothly in any setting. Enjoy the convenience of fresh ice anytime with the Frigidaire EFIC 128 AMZ BLK ice maker. Food Scale 33-pound digital kitchen scale. The Food Scale 33-pound digital kitchen scale is a high-capacity, precise tool designed for home chefs and bakers. It features a wide weighing range of up to 33 pounds, 15 kilograms, with accuracy to 0.1 ounce, 1 gram, making it ideal for everything from small ingredients to bulk meal prep. The large, easy-to-read LCD screen displays measurements in grams, ounces, pounds, and kilograms for versatile use. Its sleek stainless steel platform is durable, easy to clean, and resistant to stains. The tare function ensures accurate measurements by subtracting the weight of containers. Designed with an auto-off feature, it conserves battery life during use. The scale's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store in any kitchen space. Anti-slip feet provide stability for secure operation. Perfect for portion control, baking, and cooking, it brings precision to your kitchen tasks. Upgrade to this digital kitchen scale for efficiency and reliability.